Hello guys, in this video today I'm gonna show you something that you will hear for the first time. If you need to know how to make money online, this is the channel to subscribe to. My channel is Vanel Silvest. I make daily video about how to make money online. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money to become a friend of another person. This person will pay you to become his friend. So you can say that sound not really realistic. It is something unrealistic. So guys, watch this video. I'm gonna show you how you can make money just to rent yourself as a friend for people who just come for the first time in an area. They need new friends and they can pay you to become friend. So you will have to do two things for me. The first thing will be type your name and the country where you are coming from. I'm gonna show you where you can make money without being in United States. A lot of people think to make money you're supposed to be in United States. In this video, I'm gonna show you you don't have to be in United States. You can be anywhere in the world and start making money just by using a laptop with internet connection. This is the two things that you need. The second thing I will ask you, please, when you find value from this video, smash the like button. Show me the love, just smash it. Just break the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let me show you the website. Will not be so long. The website that I'm talking about, it is Refer a Friend. So you're gonna refer yourself or someone else as a friend, and you're gonna get paid just to become friend of other people. So this website can pay you just to become friend of people, guys. So you can see this is the website. Rent a friend. You can rent a friend, and this friend will receive money because you rent them. This is the same thing. You can put yourself, create a profile for free. You don't have to pay nothing. You just create an account and you will get paid just to be friend of other people. You can see rent a friend to show you around on familiar town, guys. So you can see rent a friend of all age. You can rent even people in the last age or older than you. You can rent a friend to attend a meeting or event with you. You need someone to go to a meeting with you. You need a new girl or a new friend, a boyfriend. So you want to rent someone, you just go to this website. You see rent a friend, guys. So you can rent a friend to play sport or share hobby with you. So maybe you love playing golf. You like this so much, and you need someone that can go with you and play golf with you, who will live in the same area with you. So you can just go to this website. You see right here, guys, and you're gonna rent someone. You're gonna pay someone. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanna, how I can join this website and start making money. So the first thing you have to know, what is RentaFriend before you can before you just join this website. RentaFriend is a website that allows you to rent local friends from all over the world. You can rent a local friend to hang out with, go to a movie or a restaurant with, or someone to go. You see, guys, in the past you have to date a girl, you have to flirt a girl so this girl can go out with you. So with this website, you don't have to be the boyfriend or the BF of this girl to ask this person to go out with you. You're gonna pay this person just to be part of your community or to be your companion, to be with you, guys. So let me show you very quickly, guys, below how you can join this website. So after, when you have time, you can read all these things related to what is rentafriend.com. So when you want to join, you just click on join now. Okay, so you just click on join now. You're gonna see, guys, select the type of user you want to be on the world's largest RentaFriend website. If you are looking to RentaFriend, then you would want to become a member. If you are looking to get rented and earn money, then you want to become a friend. So you can see you can become a member. This is why you're gonna rent people. You become a member here when you want to rent people. If you want people to rent you as a friend, you can join right here, guys. You can see this will allow you to become a friend, post your profile and get hired. Becoming a friend is 100% free, and you get to keep 100% you earn, guys. Don't give me any reason to start making money online. Don't say you will stop, you don't have a money. So you see, I give free value on this channel. If so far you find value, please smash the like button. You can just go right here, you can join with your Facebook, with your Twitter, and join new people and hang out with people nearby, guys. So if you find value from this video, my name is Vanel Sylvester. I make daily video about how to make money online. Don't forget to smash the like button, show me the love, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.